All right. Wait, Williams, Philippines. It's going to be a short one today. It's 10:35, Friday, October 3rd. I've got a doctor's appointment Saturday, October 4th. I know, doctor's appointment on a Saturday. Lab ultrasound, actually. But I'll get that result sometime Tuesday or Wednesday, and Thursday or Friday going to the doctor. Kind of fun idea there. Hey. Anyway, yeah, I got out, got me a little sealed container for my coffee, so it didn't. Once I grind it, I can actually put it away, which is good. And then, yeah, not have it go bad so fast because it's oxidizing or whatever it is it does. Oh yeah, that's it. Whoever's in charge of keeping me from doing stupid shit is fired. Me? Just saying. Anyway, uh, yeah, doctor's appointment tomorrow. It's 10:37 right now. Uh, yeah, I looked at a another clock today. It's like $4. I think I'm gonna pick one up. Kind of miss having it up over there. Like I said, that one there, it's still reading the same time. It didn't. It's moving, but it's not changing time. It just sits there, and it don't want to go over. I tried to back it up, and it don't go. Yeah. Needless to say, I think I need to take it off the wall, toss it in the trash can. But I want something up there to look at. Yeah, I know that might be thrown off. I don't know. Anyway, go by the doctor's office tomorrow and then try to get my steps in. I think I'm going to try to walk back this way. I don't know. Trying to hold them down right now. I don't want to try to go for a, because I ended up with that bunch of stuff on my leg from being out there and doing 12 miles in one day. I don't know why. Know something next week. Uh, did manage to get out and get some video of the Mandawi public market, where part of the roof of the market came down. Not a good thing. That earthquake got a lot of different things. Some of them big, some of them small. Uh, yeah, that was basically really. I mean, I've had a couple of small ones, and that was it. Arkansas, California when I was young in the Navy, but those were 40 years ago. This is the first one that was big. Both of those were, I think, fours, low end four, high end four, something like that. Yeah, I was in Blytheville, Arkansas, and it hit Memphis. God, when was that? 77, 78, 79, something like that. Yeah, many moons ago. Uh, but yeah, I need to get a different backpack because that thing is not comfortable. Strings cut into my shoulder, and I don't want to carry it. And if you don't have it, you don't have the stuff you need. So I'm trying to find a small backpack that holds about the same amount that doesn't have strings for the straps. That'd be okay if it was just that same thing with straps on it. instead of strange. I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired. I need sleep. And yeah, I get to go and, oh, yes, ultrasound my leg veins in the morning. Woo-hoo. So I've actually got an alarm set. I hate that idea. I have an alarm set for a Saturday morning, and it's not fishing. I really need to get out and get over. I got to get me some lures and such, go fishing, some rigs so I can do some surf fishing. Working on it. I don't know. Right now, everything's a little throwed off for transporting around. They were there was a line down here at this water uh, purifying station of some sort. I don't know. They either bottle water or the big jugs and the little ones, little bottles and big ones. I don't know. All I know is there's lines of people there all day taking water, getting it loaded into their cars, and then going north. And then I guess coming back south. I don't know. Lord knows they need the help up there. Hmm. But yeah, uh, the cracks and things. Like I said, I got one across the ceiling. I don't know if I like that idea. Still here. We'll see. Anyway, uh, it's an interesting education having the ground shake under you like that. I don't know. Anyway, I am tired. I got to get up and go to the doctor. Lord knows I want my sleep. So, y'all have a good day. Williams, Philippines. Lots of food, lots of friend, lots of excuse me, hiccup. Lots of food, lots of friend, lots of family. And again, more food. And right now, damn. And right now, a lot of water. Hiccups. I don't know why, but anyway. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. Left ear, right ear, hardhead, God, your thing. Take care of it. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, and fish is out. Later blessings. Bye bye. More food.